Believe it or not, it's nice out. Can I hear a woohoo?
Yell it louder for the people in the back.
Woohoo!
So we've got a lot of things that we need to do on the van. And
We haven't been able to work in the van for like a week or so.
It's been 2 weeks
What?
since we've touched a single thing on the van. Every time we come out and get the tools set up, it starts to rain, so we have to put stuff back up. And I think now's the time.
Well, today we were lucky off because yesterday it said it was gonna rain today. And this morning, out of nowhere, the sun is out.
It's nice.
It's very nice.
We've got a lot of work to do. Come on.
So let's start working in the van. For us to start working, it's better if I show you the current situation of the van. The bed is almost done. We need to finish the cabinets underneath so we can get to all our electrics. We need to finish all the faces of the cabinets. On this side, Chase started to do some of the cabinets, so I think we're gonna finish that right now. We got things for the bathroom, so that way we can start with the shower, we can finish the cabinets, we can finish the kitchen. I think right now is the moment where we're gonna get things done. Am I right?
You're born right.
The cabinets in the kitchen area. Well, kind of the kitchen area.
Yeah.
The cooktop is gonna be here, and this is just gonna be countertop. So that way we made it a little shorter than the other ones, just in case we don't hit our heads.
Make sure that it's even over there.
It's
Good? Okay. I had to change today.
It was very hot, and we have been complaining about the weather, so I'm very thankful that it was really sunny, but we almost passed out. It was too hot.
Yeah, I had to go sit down for a second. So I guess that's sort of welcome at this point, though. I think the weather is beyond us at this point.
Yeah.
It looks like it's, gonna get a little better at this point of the year, which almost June it should be.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
But I think we're gonna call it a night. We got a lot done today.
I think we did, for us to have started late and all that fun stuff.
Yeah, I think we got a lot done, and tomorrow it's supposed to rain after like 1. So hopefully we'll get to wake up early, finish all the cabinets.
We'll see you.
Whew, I'm very tired. It's hot.
I snapped us into the future because we've already done a lot of work today.
Yes. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
She just told me that I'm not a good teacher.
Okay, now
I told you guys last week I'm not a good teacher.
Okay, friends, so today we have been working in the upper cabinet. We still have one more cabinet to make in the other side, but I think we're gonna wait until we have the shower in, so that way we have like the correct measurements. We already installed the lights in one of the cabinets. Now we're about to make the holes for the second cabinet that is gonna be on top of the cooktop.
If you're doing this and you want to kind of space these in a good way, find your halfway point and then the halfway point in between there, and that's a good area of where to kind of put your lights to keep them spread.
Okay, let's make some holes, sir.
We're just testing the lights at this point to make sure that everything's going to work. They're going to be on a switch, and we're not done with everything yet, but we'll pop a fuse in our little fuse box and hopefully let there be light.
Let me see it. Yay! Now we just need to make this other cabinet and we will put 2 more lights there. Let's get to it. Friends, and just like that, it was extremely hot and sunny, and now it's raining. We checked the weather app like maybe 10 minutes ago and it said clear skies. Had to run with Chase to put everything inside the garage so nothing gets damaged. It's so hot that I could probably stand in the rain.
Yeah.
Oh, give me a minute.
Oh, our rain dance made the rain go away.
Woo! I guess we have to start dancing
get
every
out in
single
it.
time.
It's like, oh, I didn't ruin the day? Okay, well, I guess I'll go then.
I think it's time to call it a night. We finished pretty much the upper cabinets on this side, connected some lights. Ooh, but do you hear that?
We're waiting on a couple more lights to come in. We have a 12-pack, I think, coming. 10-pack or 12-pack.
Maybe tomorrow. So we will be able to like connect the rest of the lights. Maybe tomorrow, if we're lucky enough and it doesn't rain, we'll be able to start the shower. Good morning.
Good afternoon, good evening, not goodbye.
No. Yesterday you saw us finishing a little bit of the cabinets and the sofa right here. But today our plan is to start on the shower.
And there are a lot of technical things when it comes to building a shower in a vehicle that we have to consider, and one of them that we had to consider a lot more heavily for this build in comparison to the bus build is overall weight. And just from doing basic calculations with family members, i.e. my dad, we're probably very, very far underweight still.
Yeah.
And we have a couple of things that we want to do that we're not sure we're going to be able to make happen, but the logistics of finding some of the materials that are required for lightweight showers in vehicles
are kind of hard to find in just like a normal store like Lowe's or Home Depot or whatever you have. I think you have to go more towards an
like a specialty shop.
yes. So we're not sure if we're gonna be able to find what we want to build the shower in the van here in Nashville. So we have to start making some calls. But what we can do today is to start framing.
Yeah, we can start framing.
I wanted to thank Kenzie because she gave us some advice to put the shower together. If you don't know, Kenzie and Joey have a van build shop.
Yep.
And we're gonna put it in the link down below so you can check them out if you're thinking of getting a van and you want someone else to build it for you.
We also have to thank our manager, my father-in-law,
My dad.
for giving us some tips and tricks as well.
Yeah, we give him a call and he's really good at
Everything.
pretty much. So he gave us some solutions of how to build a van and still keep it underweight. But let's start cutting and framing the shower. I'm so excited for this part. How Chase says, let's get to it.
I just tried to put my pencil up in my hat, and I don't have a hat on today.
We're using a shower base that we actually got from Amazon, right?
Yep, it's Lippert Components.
We're gonna link everything down below that we're using for the shower. We have noticed there's not a lot of videos about how to build a van and a shower, and probably our way is not perfect. But at least
figure it out.
we're gonna figure it out, and at least you're gonna have a guide of how we did it.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
So we realized that the Lippert Components thing there is it's kind of awkwardly made. So we're gonna actually be doing a hybrid build for a support system with 1/2-inch birch ply along with our 2x4s. So these are going to be the outer supports, and the 2x4s are going to be the inner supports that are going to be actually, like, you'll see they're going to be taking a lot of the weight of it. But we just realized not too long ago that the 2x4s alone are a little bit too thick. So we're going to make it work. So first we're ripping them to 5 inches. If you do the math, 5 inches and 2x4s, you're missing about 1/2 inch, right? So we're gonna have some leftover pieces that we're going to then glue and screw to the 2x4s to make the entire brace there. So now we're gonna take our 1/2-inch birch, we're gonna cut it 21.5 inches, we're gonna do some pocket holes attached to our 2x4s, and then we'll get everything put together. Let's go.
Sure, it's hot.
It's humid now. So just for some extra support, I've glued and I'm using finishing trim screws just to hold this in. It's not going to go anywhere. That one's going somewhere right now though. There we go. Stop it going. And this is going to give us the extra height that we need for the Lippert shower.
So truthfully, that will look like these.
Yep, it's going to be on the bottom. This is going to be on the top.
Yeah, these are kind of like the little steps or floor. I don't know.
We made this. I'm kidding.
We did.
I know, but I was just kidding.
a little base for the shower. You're gonna try for us?
It is rock solid.
Enjoying your shower? I like it, Bubba.
Good. You did it.
Baby, we're a team. We did it.
You did it, though.
We did it.
Just because we're a team doesn't mean that you couldn't do it.
You did it all.
You did it.
Oh, you spoke me with your
It was my pencil that poked you, not me.